Hello everyone, this is the update of the Sirena vacuum. It's been a year now. I will post it, my unboxing on this video, but this is a update on my Sirena vacuum. So of course I've been using this let's say 3 times a week. And I guess that is just who I am. So, and this vacuum helped me a lot. It really removed all the dust in my house. So yeah, it helped me a lot with my allergies, especially with the dust. And so let me just show you that the wire is long, so you can go far from this. And I will show you how. Let me just plug this one. And this, if you want to remove it, so of course this is to lock everything, this one here, and when you open it you release it on both sides, and this is where you step to release. So I'm just using my feet. It's better to use your foot, it's stronger. So when you remove that, let me just show you that be careful when you remove, because there's a notch over here, right here, not to snap it, because that is a to keep this together right here. See, this one, and this is the basin. This is where you're gonna put the water. Maximum level is up to here. As you can see it's a good condition. So I'm gonna put the water now. So if you like to have experience, like you're breathing the air from the sea, you can add sea salt here. I already did this in my previous video. You can put sea salt here and just put cold water. Okay, so here it is. I'm putting it in there. Make sure this one is aligned with this right here, and this is the salt that I'm using, is sea salt. So you can just put here. You can put it here, just like so. Let me just... You can put a... I'm putting it in now. So make sure it's aligned right here. And this end right here is the alignment. And then you close the tab right here. And so, by the way, this is the one that I use to remove the dust. Oh my goodness. And there is a long tube for the suction line connector. This is long, so you can go far. It's really amazing to use this one. Oh. Put it here. Put this one in the front. Right, this one here, and make sure this one is up. This one, and then there we go. And so, and when you turn it on, it's right here. So let me show you. There we go. That's to turn it on. Right, this one. And still works. That's the noise when you clean. So I'm going to show you. There we go. I'm going to show you the dust right here. This is accumulated after even 2 days of opening your window at summertime, so you have dust that's coming in the house. And yeah, I'm just run through my hand and you will see that. And yeah, this is on like our close to the TV where the sound coming at. So I will just show you how I'll vacuum that and remove that from there. And it's easy. And if you do this like normal vacuum, the tiny particles of dust will pass through those filter, but with the water filter it doesn't. It just accumulate in the water basin. So let me just turn it on. So this is how I clean it. particles of dust. Let me move along this one. Water filter vacuum. This is our Dyson fan. This is what we use if we don't want to use our AC. So I also dust the air vent like so. And see those dust. Okay, so after a year of using this vacuum 3 times a week, it's still functioning very well. I don't have no issues with it. So I suggest you buy your own vacuum water filter. There are vacuum that are same as this one, water filter vacuum, but they are so expensive. It ranges about close to $4,000, and this is the cheapest one. This is Canadian made, manufactured in Canada, and so this is under $1,000, under $1,000, let's say $800. And in their website they also give a daily discount if you go in their website. And thank you so much. This is the update of this Sirena vacuum, 1 year of service to my family. And thank you so much.